If it's me, I would have done it now. But now it's signals. Okay, signal, change. Okay, so signal one more time. Go. All right. So okay, it's good. So I would do the same. So, which is good. So now we're sandwiched between two semis. I really can't wait for the version 12.6. When can I get it? Tesla, give it to me, Tesla. I want it. I heard that it's a lot better. And I read somewhere in an article where they say they can retrofit another front camera for the older Model Ys. So that would be good too.
Now take the California 57 ramp on the right.
Right, this BMW want to merge. Okay, no problem.
Now take the California 57
Signals,
north
good.
ramp on the left.
All right, good. I think even though I have set it on chill, but I think when I put it on aggressive mode with for navigations, I think it override that because it speed up really fast. It's not like it's in chill mode at all. Well, look at right now. Look at that. Yeah, it's really really aggressive. I would say it drives like a human being would drive. And I'm not talking about like the grandpa or grandma. This is like young, aggressive, like in the mid-20s to 30s. That's how aggressive is. It's keeping up with the flow of traffic. No worries. Right, stay in the middle lane. Nice. Pretty sure you're gonna want to be going to the carpool lane. Tesla, usually that's what it does, and as expected, that's what it's doing right now. It's gonna go into the carpool lane. One more lane. Signal one more time, baby. One more time. Exactly. I read Tesla like a book. See, now we're in the fast lane, carpool lane. Right now we're in the 57 north. Everything seems to be working fine. Everything's good. Everything's smooth as expected. Lovely. As long as you keep your eyes on the road, you don't get any notifications at all. But as soon as you're looking down or something, picking up a phone, it'll notify you right away. I want to talk about earlier when we get to my sister's house. For some reason, it doesn't pull to the right, or it doesn't pull into the driveway. It was kind of like moving like this, and in the middle of the street like that, and then the steering wheel would just go back and forth like that, and it stops in the middle of the street. I think that one with the new version, it should already been updated. So I can't for this version, as soon as it tells you you arrive at your destinations, they expect you to take over and then park. Yeah, so far 9 minutes into the drive going back, everything's so smooth, everything's good. And we're driving behind this pickup truck, kind of slow us down. We're gonna hit traffic coming up. I hate this part as well too. So when we need to merge into the right lane and then it's all traffic, it's really hard to merge. And in order to merge, we kind of gotta like slow down, right? So how is this gonna do it? See, right now it's all traffic on the right hand side. See how Tesla gonna do it. We need to get out. All right, coming up, we can exit. Signal for it to get out. Yep. Because otherwise it'd be hard to get out. When it's traffic in this way here, the people behind you will not slow down. Sometimes they might
stay on California 57 North.
somehow another screen. Wow, that motorcycle, crazy. That was close. semi want to merge into our lane, but Tesla doesn't give him a chance. Oh, it's kind of tough for the semi because the truck behind us didn't even let him too. No, don't change lanes. Stay here. No, don't change. We'll stay on this lane, Tesla. Don't change lane.
In 1 mile, keep a right to take California 57 north.
Right? Yeah. For some reason, we're supposed to be on the 3 right lanes, but Tesla wanted to move to the left lane. I guess maybe he's gonna, try to get away from traffic a little bit and then just merge back into the right lane. But I prefer us to stay on the right lane because it's coming up. It's about 0.08 miles. Why are you gonna go through the trouble of making left lane unsafe, lane changing, and then you're gonna change to the right hand side? I don't know. I think the less we change lanes, the less accident that we will have, right? Because anytime you're changing lanes, there's a possibility that you might collide with somebody, right? So minimum, better. See, for 57 north, we go straight. Right 3 lanes, and then the other 4 or 5 lanes is going to be for the 60. Tesla, you don't need to change the right lane. This lane can go to the 57 north. Stay in this lane.